Oh my God. Ow! Woo! Happy birthday, Pony! Here we go. I gotta take that.
He needs to bite bite it.
Oh, I think I got a tongue out one.
Did you get tongue?
You're an animal.
Happy birthday, Pony! Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's like paparazzi. Wow.
Pony! Amira, get in there.
It's really funny.
Get in there.
Hey, Pony.
I like frosting.
I don't think he's realized yet that he can actually eat the cake. No.
Amira! Smile!
So great. Bite it, Pony. Maybe it's not. Oh, it's like rock hard. Is it really? Yeah.
Maybe you should cut it then.
Nah, no. He's a tiger shark.
Come here. Feels like a brick. Good boy, Pony.
Oh, he's starting to bite it. Get in there.
The frosting on his nose is...
Uh-oh. Hey, Havana, come here.